This is question number 1. Question number 1 is prove that tan square A minus sin square A equals to tan square A into sin square A. Then first this is a LHS and this is a RHS. This is a LHS and this is a RHS. Okay. First you take LHS tan square A minus sin square A. Tan formula is tan equals to sin A by cos A. Okay, then tan square A sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Here you put full LCM cos square A. Here sin square A minus sin square. Here put to full LCM, take cos square A. Here sin square A, you cross multiplication. Sin square A into cos square A. Then here take sin square A. Common 1 minus cos square A by cos square A. Here sin square A 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A formula is sin square A. Then this is a sin square A by cos square A. Because this is a multiplication, then you one take sin square A by cos square A into sin square A. Here I take sin square A by cos square A. What formula? Tan square A into sin square A. And this is a RHS root. Here two formula use. First formula use 1 minus sin square equals to 1 minus cos square equals to sin square A and tan A equals y equals to sin A by cos A. These two formula use and this question you proved it. Again I explain. Question is prove that tan square A minus sin square A equals to tan square A into sin square A. Your left hand, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Left hand side tan square A minus sin square A. You change tan square. Tan A formula is what? Sin A by cos A. Sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Here you take sin square A common. Sin square minus sin square A into cos square A. Sin square A common put 1 minus cos square A. Sin A into 1 minus cos square A sin square A. Here sin by cos square into sin A, sin by cos tan A into sin square A means this is a RHS proof. इस क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ दो ही फॉर्मूला यूज हुए हैं, tan A का फॉर्मूला और 1 minus cos square A का फॉर्मूला. Next go for second question. This is second question. Second question is cot theta into cos theta plus sin theta equals to cosec theta. First this is a LHS and this is a RHS. First you take LHS. LHS is cot theta into cos theta plus sin theta. Then cot theta formula is what? Cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Then here cos theta by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. Here cos theta into cos theta multiply cos square theta by sin theta plus sin theta. Then take LCM full sin theta. Cos square theta plus sin theta multiply sin square theta. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. 1 by sin theta equals to cosec theta. This is a RHS. Here three formula used. First formula is cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Second here formula is used cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. This is the second formula used. Third formula is used 1 by sin theta equals to cosec theta. This question three formula used. Okay, because I write for formula because if many times I repeat the formula, they are easily learned. Okay, you are easily learner. Then I repeat each and every time I write for formula because many times practice you will easily learn for formula. Then again I explain this question. Question given so that cot theta into cos theta कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में सो डैट देगा, कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में प्रूव डैट करने का देगा, कभी कभी क्वेश्चन वेरीफाई करने का। तीनों का मतलब है कि प्रूफ करना है कि एलएचएस को हमें इक्वल टू आरएचएस से जाना है। ऐसा नहीं है कि कब हमेशा हमें एलएचएस से, अगर जब आरएचएस में बिग साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा के कॉम्बिनेशन दे रहेंगे तो हम आरएचएस को ही फर्स्ट लेंगे। जिसमें भी हमें बड़े लेंगे, बड़े से छोटा जाना बहुत ईजी है। तो इसमें हमें क्या करना है, शो डैट मीन्स प्रूफ करना है कॉट थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा इक्वल्स टू कॉसेक थीटा। अब हमें इसे एलएचएस लेके चलेंगे, कॉट थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा। अब कॉट का फॉर्मूला क्या लिखा है मैंने, कॉस थीटा बाई साइन थीटा। यहाँ पे कॉस थीटा बाई साइन थीटा कर देंगे। अब यहाँ पे इंटू कॉस थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा। अब कॉस इंटू कॉस मल्टीप्लाई साइन कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाई साइन थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा। यहाँ हम एलसीएम ले लेंगे पूरे में, तो ये साइन थीटा एलसीएम हो जाएगा, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा साइन स्क्वायर थीटा जो हो जाएगा साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। अब हमें पता है कि कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा का वैल्यू क्या होता है, 1 होता है। अब यहाँ पे ये 1 हो जाएगा 1 बाई साइन थीटा। 1 बाई साइन थीटा का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, कॉसेक थीटा, और यही हमें आरएचएस में प्रूफ करना था। नेक्स्ट गो फॉर थर्ड क्वेश्चन। This is the third question. Third question is under root square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. First, this is a LHS and this is a RHS. This is a LHS and this is a RHS. Just questions prove that. Okay. Then first you LHS put LHS take then 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta full under root square root. Okay, I told previously here I solved this question, here sin, here this question, here cos. Then here negative you multiply for denominator positive 1 plus cos theta. If denominator multiply positive, you balance for numerator also multiply 1 plus cos theta. Then yes, same number 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta 2 times. Then 1 plus cos theta by and 1 if you multiply a minus b, a plus b formula, then formula is a square minus b square. Here a minus b, a plus b, then here 1 minus cos square theta. I know very well 1 minus cos square theta equals to sin square theta. Then here under root square root of 1 plus cos theta square by sin square theta. Here inside the square root of 2 1 plus, then outside 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta plus cos by sin theta. 1 by sin theta what? Cosec theta. And cos by sin theta what? Cot theta. Then this is a RHS and RHS. Okay. This question only two formula use. One is algebra formula use and second is trigonometry formula use. This only two formula use. One is algebra formula use and second is trigonometry formula use. First question is prove that under root square root of 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. This is a LHS, this is a RHS. First I take LHS. LHS under square root of 1 plus cos theta. Then I multiply. Here negative, I multiply positive. If we are given positive, that time you multiply here negative. This is a cross multiplication. Just symbol is just opposite multiplication. Only check for denominator, not check for numerator. Then 1 minus sin cos theta, then I multiply here 1 plus cos theta. If I balance for numerator, if any number multiply for denominator, number change, then you balance for numerator, you again multiply this number for numerator also, 1 plus cos theta. Then 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta what? Then here 2 times come. Here a minus b, a plus b formula is a square minus b square. Then here formula 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta, cosec theta. Cos theta by sin theta, cot theta. Then this is the RHS proof. This is the fourth question. Fourth question is sin 90 minus theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 minus cos 90 minus theta equals to 2 sec theta. This is a LHS and this is a RHS. First, you know sin 90 minus theta what comes? Cos theta. And here cos 90 minus theta come sin theta. This is a formula. If sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Just reverse. Here if you given sin, 90 minus theta, cos. If you have given cos, there here even come sin only. These two formula. Then I go for question. Okay. Then LHS is what given? Sin 90 minus theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 minus cos 90 minus theta. Okay. Then sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta 1 minus cos 90 minus theta 1 minus sin theta. Then here you take LCM, then here multiply 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, then cos theta 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta 1 plus sin theta. Okay, then cos theta multiply cos theta minus sin, multiply this both cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta by this is a same formula a plus b a minus b, then what a plus b into a minus b, what formula a square minus b square, then here 1 minus sin theta into sin square theta. Here this is positive and this is negative, then this both is cut, this and this cut, then cos theta what come? 2 cos theta and 1 minus sin square theta is 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta. Then here cos square theta. Then this cos theta cancel. 2y cos theta equals to 2 sec theta. Then this is the RHS proof. This is a RHS. Here LHS is given sin 90 minus theta y 1 plus sin theta plus cos 1 minus cos 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta what? Cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta what? Sin theta. Then here sin 90 minus theta here right cos theta y 1 plus sin theta. Here 1 minus cos 90 minus here sin theta. If you take LCM, then LCM means you cross multiplication. Cos theta into 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. This both are cancelled. Cos theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta y cos square theta 1 cancel 2 y cos theta equals to sec theta. This is question number 5. The question is given if A equals to 60 degree, B equals to 30 degree, then verify that cos A plus B equals to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Just do LHS is what? LHS is this cos A plus B. Cos A value is what? 60 degree plus B value is what? 30 degree. Then cos 90. If you know very well, cos 90 value is 0. Cos 90 value is what? 0. Then here LHS value is 0. Here go for RHS. RHS what? RHS is given cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Cos equals to what? Cos 60 degree and cos B cos 30 degree minus sin A sin 60 degree minus sin B 30 degree. Here you know very well cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 degree value. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Then sin 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2 into sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Here come root 3, numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply for denominator, root 3 and root 3 by 4. Then this value both are equal. Then negative positive come for 0. Then LHS also 0 and RHS also 0. Then this is a verified proved. How can solve this question? First you know where this value cos 90 equals to 0, cos 60 equals to 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 60 equals to 3 by 2, sin 90, 30 degrees 1 by 2. Just you reverse which value sin 30 degree. Then here 1 by 2. Here same cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Sin 0 value is 1 but sin 0 value is 0 but cos 0 value is 1. Just reverse. Okay. Then here cos A plus B 60 plus 30, 60 plus 30 90 degree, cos 90 value is 0. RH is given cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Cos 60 A value is 60, B value is 30, A value is 60, B value is 30. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2, sin 30 value is root 3 by 2, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then you numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. Root 3 into root 3, 2 into 2, 4. Root 3 into root 3, 2 into 2, 4. Then this positive, this negative 0, LHS equals to RHS.